Okay, hello dear friends. So I have some romaine salad. I think this is romaine salad, and some arugula, and caper, and black olive. We will make a salad. Oh yes, and we do not have much dressing, so I will use this lemon. So let's put in caper, black olive, pepper, salt. Hello, bye bye. Hello, bye bye. Olive oil, bye bye, and lemon juice. I think that is good enough. Okay, now we will plate it. I just did some grilled shrimp. Take one that looks prettier on the top for the final decoration. This one get into the flavor of the food. Caper. I want you to see the caper. That's it.